Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a really useful feature in Mailchimp, adding anchor links. Have you ever sent a long newsletter and wished your subscribers could easily jump to the section that interests them most? That's exactly what anchor links do. They act like a clickable table of contents inside your email, improving the reader's experience and making your content much more accessible. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference, so let's dive right into how to set it up. First, we need to create the destination, which is the spot in your email where you want the link to land. Go to the content block in your Mailchimp campaign where you want to create this anchor point. For example, let's say you have a headline called "This Week's Top Deals." Click on the text block to edit it. In the editor toolbar at the top, you need to find the source button. It looks like two angle brackets, like this. Click on that. You'll now see the HTML code for that block. Don't be intimidated by the code. Just find the text of your headline. We need to add a special tag to it called an ID. Let's say your headline is inside an H2 tag, like H2 This Week's Top Deals /H2. You'll change it to be H2 ID equals deals This Week's Top Deals /H2. The key part is ID equals deals. Your ID name should be simple, one word, and have no spaces. You can call it anything you want, like Section 1, Deals, or News. Just remember what you called it. Once you've added the ID, click the source button again to go back to the normal view, and then save your block. Now for the second part, creating the actual link that people will click on. Go to the top of your email, or wherever you want your table of contents to be. Type out the text for your link, something like "Jump to Top Deals." Highlight this text. Now, click the link icon in the toolbar, the one that looks like a chain. A box will pop up asking for the web address. This is the most important step. Instead of a website URL, you're going to type the pound symbol, or a hashtag, followed by the exact ID name you created earlier. So, in our example, you would type #deals. The hash symbol tells Mailchimp to look for an ID within the same email, not on an external website. After you've typed #deals, click Insert or Save. You've now officially created an anchor link. You can repeat this process for multiple sections. Just create a unique ID for each destination, like news, events, and contact, and then create corresponding links at the top using #news, #events, and #contact. But before you hit send on your campaign, you absolutely must test it. Sometimes the anchor links won't work perfectly in Mailchimp's own preview mode. The best way to test is to send a real test email to your own inbox. Open the email in your email client, like Gmail or Outlook, and click on the links you created. They should smoothly scroll you down to the correct section. This ensures everything is working as expected for your subscribers. To recap, it's a two-step process. First, add an ID to your destination headline using the source code editor. Second, create your link using a hash symbol followed by that same ID name. And that's all there is to it. You can now create much more user-friendly and navigable newsletters for your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps. And for more tutorials and tips to improve your digital marketing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.